All right, guys, it's 4:35, and miracles of all miracles, the damn rattling in the car happened. It happened. It happened with a tech in the car. He stuck his little, I don't know, microphone in there and listened and listened. He heard it, and it's now official. The rattle is now official for this car, so now I could possibly get the damn thing fixed. Goes in Wednesday. They can have it all day long, run the air conditioner, let us sit there, drink all the gas at once. I don't care. I want it fixed. I want to know what it is. And if I can find out what it is, I will let everybody know what the hell it is. Or at least what they find. He says it sounds very much like a tag or something shaking in there. So that's exactly what it sounds like to everybody else. Like cellophane or something that's just jingling in there. Funny thing is, when he stuck it through the center vents, it stopped. He pulled it out. I don't think it started again, actually. I think it stopped for good. So something going on in the center vent area is what he saw. He thought maybe it was at the upper vents, but it isn't. It seems like the center vents. This is the same guy who also put the heated steering wheel on this car. You know, I told him other dealers won't do it, and he says, well, tough for them. It works. I said, yeah, it works. So what's the problem? It's even got a plug for it. He said, yeah, he doesn't get it. So that's the kind of mentality I like in someone who works on my car. You know, if something works, I mean, I don't expect him to do an LS engine swap. I just, you know, put a Honda part on a Honda car. Give me a freaking break. How difficult can it be? So, you know, this is the kind of guy that eventually I'll probably end up tipping on the side for his extra work and what he's done for me. So, just let you know, that's the first step in trying to figure out what the hell is going on with the air vents and that rattling noise, which is completely gone right now. Wait a minute. Nope, there it is again, starting up again. Makes me so happy. You have any idea how long I've been trying to get that fixed? It's going on since the day I owned this car. Only seems to happen during the air conditioning. When I went to Charlie's, the first thing they said, oh, it's just part of the air conditioning system making a noise. You know, it's very insulting when these people talk to you that way. But then again, the vast majority of people they deal with, me included, are freaking morons. They'll hear a normal noise coming from the car. It's not working right. It's not working. Everybody knows it's normal. Anybody with a brain knows it's normal. And they got to deal with that every day, so they have to nip these things in the bud. The problem is if they got someone who knows that something just isn't right with the car. They've been with the car for a year and a half. It makes this weird noise. It's not supposed to. Other people are complaining about it. And then they feel like they're being talked down to. Pisses everybody off. And it leads to a poor meeting. So it's a step in the right direction. Makes me happy. Ruby goes in on Wednesday. I don't care what they do. They can rip the whole dash apart. I want that noise gone. And when I find out what it is, and they could show me what it is, I'm going to let everybody on the planet know. If you got a rattle in your damn Honda, this is what it is. Now, one person on the forums did suggest that it had to do with the physical vent structure, the actual, God, what do you call these things? These little, you call them the vents. They're the things you move to let air through and aim the air, and that they felt that the back of it or part of it was shaking, or in certain positions they could make it stop. I tried to test that theory on mine, and it didn't stop it ever. So either either the person's correct and theirs is not as broken as mine. What the hell is that? Theirs is not as broken as mine. Mine's much more broken, and no matter what you do, it's going to make the noise when it wants to. Or it's just coincidence on his part. So, you know, again, I really don't know. All I know is I want the rattle gone. And I got a tech. He told me his name, and I totally forgot it 5 seconds later because I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot, guys. You know that. So hopefully all this is recording properly on my webcam thing, my dash cam. I'm not really familiar with it. I haven't really done much with it. I've just hooked it up and made sure it's there, so if I get in a crash, or, you know, if I see someone eat a dog, you know, chew a dog's intestines out, I have a nice video I can put up and show all you guys. All right, I think that's enough on this little thing. I will keep you informed on what's going on. 38 out.